The world of 1000 LB Sisters has been buzzing non-stop ever since shocking reports emerged that Amy Slayton's much-anticipated wedding with fiancé Brian Scott Lovan has been abruptly cancelled. Fans of the hit TLC series are reeling with questions, rumors, and heated debates as the real reasons behind this unexpected turn of events begin to surface. The cancellation has not only left viewers stunned but has also ignited a wildfire of controversy across social media, with accusations flying that the entire romance may have been staged as part of a fabricated storyline for the show. According to multiple insider sources, Amy Slayton, the beloved star known for her humor, sass, and vulnerable moments on 1000 LB Sisters, had been planning a wedding that was supposed to serve as the centerpiece for an upcoming season. Fans had been eagerly following the updates as hints of the engagement were teased on Instagram, TikTok, and in behind-the-scenes leaks. For weeks, speculation had built up about the details of the ceremony, including the dress, the guest list, and whether her sister Tammy Slayton would be able to attend following her significant weight loss journey and ongoing health battles. Yet, as the big day approached, cracks began to show in the fairy tale. Rumors first started swirling when Amy appeared less enthusiastic in recent social media posts, sharing cryptic messages about betrayal, trust, and pressure of being in the public eye. Soon after, eagle-eyed fans began to dig into Brian Scott Lovan's online presence, uncovering inconsistencies in his past relationships and raising questions about whether his sudden engagement to Amy was entirely authentic or just a plot twist crafted for maximum drama. The controversy hit a boiling point when fan forums and Reddit threads exploded with claims that the couple's love story was not only exaggerated but completely orchestrated by TLC producers. Viewers pointed to on-camera interactions that felt awkward, scripted, or overly rehearsed, fueling accusations that Amy and Brian's engagement was a publicity stunt designed to generate higher ratings. As the criticism mounted, the couple reportedly faced immense pressure from both the network and the public. Amy, who has already faced intense scrutiny over her health, motherhood journey, and life choices since season 1, allegedly broke down under the stress. Several insiders claim she felt trapped between the expectations of the show and her desire for a genuine, private life. Brian, meanwhile, is said to have struggled with the online backlash, which labeled him everything from a cloud chaser to a manipulator. The final straw came when the fan outrage spilled into real life. Social media users began bombarding the couple with harsh comments, memes, and accusations of lying to loyal viewers. Hashtags like #FakeSlaytonWedding and #AmionBrian started trending on Twitter, and even some longtime fans expressed disappointment, saying they felt misled after investing emotionally in the storyline. In response to the growing firestorm, TLC reportedly held urgent meetings with producers, trying to determine whether to continue filming the wedding or pivot to address the controversy head-on. Ultimately, the decision was made to cancel the event entirely. Sources close to the production suggest that the wedding was never as concrete as it appeared, and without the support of the fan base, moving forward could have damaged the show's credibility even more. Amy Slayton herself has yet to release a full statement, but her latest Instagram post shows her sitting on a porch swing, holding her sons, with the caption, "At least I know who truly loves me." Fans immediately flooded the comments with support, while others demanded transparency. Brian Scott Lovan, on the other hand, has gone radio silent, sparking further speculation about the status of their relationship. Some fans believe the two have quietly split, while others suspect that TLC has imposed a gag order to keep the drama exclusive to the show. The wedding cancellation has opened a broader conversation about the pressures reality TV stars face and the blurry line between entertainment and exploitation. 1000 LB Sisters has long thrived on raw, unfiltered glimpses into Amy and Tammy's lives, but as the show grows in popularity, the temptation to manufacture storylines has also increased. Fans are now questioning how much of what they see is real and how much is carefully crafted for ratings. Industry experts say that this type of controversy is not uncommon in reality television. The genre often walks a tightrope between documenting real life and enhancing it for drama. However, in the age of social media, fans are more vigilant than ever, dissecting every interaction for signs of authenticity. When they sense deception, the backlash can be swift and severe. The fallout from Amy and Brian's cancelled wedding could have significant implications for the future of 1000 LB Sisters. TLC has invested heavily in the Slayton family as a cornerstone of their programming, but maintaining audience trust is crucial. If viewers feel manipulated, they may tune out, jeopardizing the show's longevity. Meanwhile, the Slayton sisters continue to navigate personal challenges amid the public spectacle. Tammy, who has been celebrating her progress after surgery and ongoing weight loss, has reportedly been a source of emotional support for Amy during this tumultuous period. Family insiders suggest that while Tammy was initially skeptical of Brian, she wanted to see her sister happy and was willing to give him a chance. Now, the sisters are said to be leaning on each other as they weather the storm of online criticism and media scrutiny. As the drama unfolds, fans are left wondering what comes next. Will Amy Slayton return to the spotlight with a tell-all interview, or will she retreat from public life to focus on her family? Will TLC address the allegations of a fake storyline, or will they double down on creating even more sensational content to keep viewers engaged? One thing is clear, the cancelled wedding of Amy Slayton and Brian Scott Lovon has become one of the most explosive scandals in the history of 1000 LB Sisters, and its ripple effects are far from over. With emotions running high, the only certainty is that the Slayton saga will continue to captivate audiences, whether on screen or off. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update. WS